Here's something TypeScript beginners often wonder. Do you need to explicitly declare your return types, or can you just let TypeScript figure it out on its own? The short answer is, TypeScript is usually smart enough to work it out. When you write a function, TypeScript looks at what you're actually returning and automatically infers the type. So if your function adds two numbers and returns the result, TypeScript already knows the return type is a number. You don't have to spell it out explicitly. This is one of the things that makes TypeScript feel smart and intuitive once you get used to it. That said, you still need to define your parameter types manually. TypeScript can't infer those on its own, so those always need to be declared up front. Now, inferred types also tend to be more specific. Instead of just knowing something is a string, TypeScript might know it's one of two exact string values. That extra precision can actually be really useful as your codebase grows. So when should you be explicit? If you're building something others will use, like a library or a shared module, declaring your return type is the safer, more intentional choice. It keeps your contracts clear and prevents accidental breaking changes down the line. Otherwise, trust TypeScript to do the heavy lifting. That's kind of the whole point.